Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Today I'm doing the unboxing and assembly of the Samsung Cordless VS70. Very cool. I just did the unboxing assembly for the Shark. This is the Shark Rocket Pro. Now, if you want to check out that video, take a look at that link at the top of your screen popping up. Let's get back to the Samsung here, okay? Okay, I just ordered this one on Amazon, so I will have links in the description down below so you guys can get one of these, you know, for yourselves if you like. Okay. Kind of excited about this. Tired of yanking out my big old giant tank vacuum. You know, I like this whole idea of cordless stuff, and I think that this is going to be an area that's just going to be exploding here very soon, just like the outdoor power equipment, like string trimmers and leaf blowers, stuff like that. Lawnmowers are all electric cordless now. I think these are going the same way. Okay, looks like we got the main motor part here. I kind of like the purple paint job there going on. Very neat. Okay. I'll be honest, I feel like there should be more stuff up here. I don't know if this is the same box for a higher end model, and they just put more stuff in on the other one. So we got a little duster tool here. Okay, looks cool. Looks like a charging station, I think. Yep, pretty sure. That's a wall-mounted design if you want. Running out of room here in my office. Okay, we got just a big tube. Okay, so this is the main vacuum tube here. Pretty self-explanatory. Nothing in there, I don't think. Now this one here is a little bit different than the Shark. This one actually has a removable battery pack. So I can actually just snap this off. I think I can put this directly in the charger if I want. And of course you can buy additionals, but they're not real cheap. I will be straight up with you on that one, okay? The vacuum here normally runs between $350 to $400 depending if you get on sale or not. I got mine just a hair cheaper than that. You know, I got mine right about $300. And but the batteries for this, I almost choked when I saw it. They're replacing batteries $200. So it's kind of like, what? What's this? Oh, an extendable crevice piece. Okay, kind of neat. Kind of neat. Okay, and we got the power head here. And again, I think this is similar to the Shark where it doesn't have the standard little brushes. I think this is kind of a self-cleaning type, you know, type of a head, but we'll see. I got 4 animals, got 3 dogs and a cat, and we'll definitely see how well both of these work with the animal here. All right, and just our AC adapter there. Okay, so let's get this thing put together. So I think this is gonna be very similar to the Shark in the way that you can snap off the motor like this and make it like a giant dust buster. So we can put our dusting, you know, end on there, and, you know, vacuum, or you can put the pull on and then put the dusting tool and get like your drapes and stuff, and you can be handheld. So I think it's pretty awesome, and no cords. All right, so let's go standard vacuum. Okay, so obviously we're gonna need a pole here. I think we're just going to pay attention to the ends. One way it's going to work, the other way it's not, okay? So you're not going to be able to put that in upside down. Okay, that's pretty simple. Let's see here, can you guys? Okay, let me get closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so to eject this tub here, there's a button right here. So we're going to push that in. And boom. And I'll have more videos to show you how to use this thing in more depth after I learn how to do it myself, okay? So I will have first use, how to use, all that kind of stuff. Ooh. Okay, we do have the battery release right down here. We're just gonna push that in and the battery will slide back out. Okay, now this charger is designed to be able to wall mount. which would be nice, but I don't really have a place to do that, at least not yet. So you can snap the actual full vacuum part head in there and charge, or you can just slide the battery in top. So that's what we're gonna do. So we do need to take the little AC adapter here, put the little end and get it set up in here. So it's just gonna go in there and then run the cord down, okay? Easy peasy. So that's in place. So we're just gonna plug her in, see if there's any lights to help us out. I think the lights will come in on the battery, but let's see. Okay, still doesn't sit down as far as I thought it would. But we do have the charging light on the side here, so I'm sure it'll go 1, 2, 3, and it's all done. Okay, like I said, I am really excited about these 2 new cordless vacuums I got. And I will be doing many more videos with them, how to use, first use, maintenance on them, and I'll do a versus videos, see which one I like, the Samsung versus the Shark better. So stay tuned, keep looking for the links, look in the description down below for additional videos to pop up. You guys please subscribe, and thanks again so much.